My name's Tameeka Riley and I'm a mechanical fitter apprentice. Leaving school, I had no clue. I did a little bit of different jobs, but yeah, I needed to financially support my daughter. I was a young mum. Started out here as just a basic operator, then fell in love with every time that something broke. I wanted to understand why. After that, an opportunity came up. They were looking for apprentices. So yeah, I couldn't stand it off. I was like, I have to give it a go. I think it suits me, this job, because I like to be hands-on. Qualifications since doing this job, but I've got my dogging ticket, I've got EWP, so elevated work platform ticket, I've got a forklift ticket. Working at heights and confined spaces, being able to do all that is incredible. It has definitely broadened my horizon, being a female in the industry. I don't believe it should be a disadvantage. I reckon we have as much capability as the next person, no matter what the gender is. We look at things differently as well, so I find that a key point. I may look at something completely different to the way the fitters looked at it. Best advice I can give to young people would be just give it a go.